Here are the best Todoist alternatives in 2026. The first one, Zendo. It's an AI assistant for your goals. It's built around accountability and follow through. You write down your goals, you write down your tasks. It can predict based on your behavior and your completion of tasks when you're most likely to meet your goals. It checks in with you to make sure you have your morning intention, your afternoon follow through, and your evening reflection on what you actually did. It has a free calendar with different views. The free feature is a minimal version of Todoist. It doesn't have the task sorting, but it has a task list and a calendar. And if you want unlimited messages with the AI, then it goes up to $20 per month. TickTick is very similar to Todoist. It has free functionalities where you can add tasks, free functionalities where you can add and categorize tasks. For more paid features, you would get different calendar views. It is a good system for visually looking at your habits. It has tools like calendar widgets, specific reminders, and a great Pomodoro timer. So if you're someone that enjoys Todoist and wants something similar with a different UI and a few added functionalities, the premium version of TickTick is $4 per month. If you're someone who likes flexibility, then I recommend Notion. Notion has great templates for tasks, goals. You can integrate notes. You have one unified workspace for writing task lists. If you enjoy the customization, flexibility, you want to have a similar manual entry as Todoist, Notion is best for custom workflows. And if you want to switch up your template or your productivity system, it's a very good, flexible alternative. The only thing you might pay for is Notion AI, but it just helps you with summarizing, drafting documents, and you can use other AI models for that if you don't want to pay. Another good Todoist alternative is Google Tasks. If you're someone that works heavily in Gmail and Google Calendar, I recommend Google Tasks completely free. It has way less features than Todoist. If you just want a simple task list with simple reminders and you work heavily in the Google ecosystem, Gmail and Google Calendar, Google Tasks lives in both. I have a tutorial in the description. I talk about the best way of getting more out of Google Tasks by connecting it to Google Calendar and ChatGPT. If you want my premium Notion productivity system, it's also in the description. To summarize, if you struggle with follow through and you want some behavioral change and you want AI as an accountability partner while getting the simplicity that Todoist offers, Zendo is the app for you. If you want a similar app to Todoist with a different UI and a few more features, I recommend you looking at TickTick. If you love flexibility, easy customization, you want your notes easily with where you write your tasks, I recommend templates on Notion or using Notion as a whole. If you're someone that lives in Google Calendar and you want a minimal way to work on your tasks, I recommend Google Tasks. And I have a video going on how to get the best out of Google Tasks. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.